Hello, one, two, three. Hello from the other side. Hello, hello, one, two, three. Hello from the other side. Hello, hello, one, two, three. Hello from the other side. Hello, hello, one, two, three. Hello from the other side. Hello, hello, one, two, three. Hello from the other side. Sekarang mari kita coba buka TikTok.
What's wrong? What's it?
That was weird. Do you love being a woman?
Me.
Yeah. I just I just played like a video and then it was like I love being a woman. That was really weird.
I'm just taking this.
Yeah, me too.
Do you love being a man?
Oh, I love being a woman. What a weirdo. What a weirdo. I think I'm live now.
Hi.
I should be live now.
And you too.
Actually,
Yeah. But why is the background so weird?
green.
No, I mean you can see left and right.
Yeah, I'm just like putting it like natural. What? I mean, I can also change it to this. Is this better?
Yeah, internet's bad. You can see left and right.
It's not working?
Working the internet connection.
Okay.
Look, it's back.
Let me check. So it's still stuck now?
Yeah. Wow. It's like left and right or
What? Let me see. Yeah. I make it like a bit natural. But if you don't like it, I don't have.
which one do you like more?
To be honest, I just want to live stream.
The first one was also
Not working. It's like I prioritize just being out there.
yeah, exactly.
Because if I change, for example, like
But
I
with
can.
this one, you're not looking to the camera.
One second. Like right now.
Yeah.
But that's easy to change. I can change it like easily. This is the main thing. So today we are going to make dreams come true. No, just kidding. I'm not a fairy. Or am I a fairy? I'm not recording right now. Should I play GTA first? We start with playing GTA. Let's start with playing GTA. Okay, I've never really like live streams playing GTA.
And also,
Huh?
I like Instagram.
Also Instagram. I think you should be able to see. It will be quite fun to play GTA. Camera. You know the problem is I wouldn't be able to make it great, but first live stream after a very long time. This makes this a little bit well mannered, though, shall we? It's not bad. Not sure why there's no full screen over here. I think it's the gotta be full screen, don't you think? There's full screen over here. So, all right, that's what's up. The mission now is that we're gonna we're gonna call some police by basically killing some people.
Hey, let's do this, motherfucker.
The best is that we're gonna go to the main street intersection over here. You see? Right?
Just what I need. Holy.
Let's see.
Hey, you in
So we're gonna make something
Hey, let's
like a
do this
fence.
then.
We just basically kill all the driver. Then we got a fence like.
I'm a disgrace to society. Hey, fuck.
Alright, so we got some police here. What are they doing? There we go.
I don't give a fuck, asshole.
Another police over here.
Fuck you.
I can feel there's a helicopter above me.
Yeah, come the fuck on. Let's see what you got.
Best thing about this place is that you're really abandoned off.
I don't give a fuck, asshole.
What you doing?
It's on now, motherfucker. You want me?
Get wasted. Wasted.
I can taste the
Jesus,
You a
difference
bad
between...
motherfucker.
Holy crap!
Oh my god! How you not see me? Fuck me! What? Lame ass bitch.
Citizens reporting at 245 on Northford Drive, Rockford Hills. Suspect eastbound on Northford Drive. Units reporting hostile on Drive.
It's on now, motherfucker.
Alright, let's escape from these bullets.
was close. Hey, come on, punk, move, man. How you not see me?
Fuck you. Let's go. Fucking piece of shit.
Right, let's start. So today, we're going to build an AI voice agent. In order to build an AI voice agent, all right, so this is the tricky part. In order to build an AI voice agent, then we should actually uh, make first the WebRTC. So let's draw a little bit here. We're gonna have WebRTC here. So this will be the step one. So this is just for video call really. And basically the idea, hope you can see it here. The idea is very simple. So AI voice agent, in which that I will make it like an AI tutor, actually. An AI mentor. A tutor is better name, I think. So first you have to make something like a video call. And then after that, speech to text, logic via the LLM, and then text to speech. Very simple. And so I think the most important part is that, sorry, there are two modules. Is first, I call it conversational functionalities. And then the second one would be for the Logify LLM part. Now, I tried a little bit with WebRTC. It's not as simple as it looks. So I cannot just do AI prompting. AI prompting is proven not to be that simple. Well, normal LLM is very good in just doing like website. So website is like you can do it in 5 minutes, but oh my God, who needs a website anymore? I mean landing page. You're probably better off just first doing social media. And then after that, well, other than that, the capability starts to reduce, like something that is a little bit more complex, like WebRTC, so something like video call. Just imagine this. Like, can we actually do a video call? So, video call is like Google Meet, right? Like, can we really code a Google Meet via an AI? So normally, if we're just talking about normal AI coding, like building a landing page, it is really advanced in it. But something like video call is a little bit more difficult. Obviously, we can use AI to help us using some sort of prompting, but beyond that, it's a little bit harder. I tried actually before this video call, but the result is just simply not functional. Okay, so I cannot really use it. Let's sign in first. Right. Okay. So the idea first is that Logify LLM is very easy. You know, everyone can do it. But the conversational functionality is the one that's the hardest. I can make WebRTC, and technically speaking, if I make a video call and start a room here, then everyone can actually join. So that, I think it's gonna be quite epic. All right. So I have a feeling, Mela, like in terms of views, it's definitely making a podcast something's more offline is better. This one is like live stream, I just go with it. Yeah, that's super. Yeah, we can do that. Well, I can answer is this. So I definitely can answer if there's some sort of questions. I think this one's better. Let's do some WebRTC. Right, I'll switch to Indonesian real quick. Jadi bagaimana sih sebenarnya cara kerja WebRTC ini? Cara kerja WebRTC ini sebenarnya cukup simpel ya. Kita lihat sekarang image dari WebRTC. WebRTC ini adalah yang bagaimana cara Google Meet atau kalau misalnya Google Video Call itu caranya bekerja. Jadi nomor satu pastinya ada relay server. Terus habis itu sebenarnya koneksi antar P2P atau koneksi antar kliennya itu sebenarnya nggak butuh server lagi gitu. Jadi servernya itu cuma ngasih tahu aja kayak, hey ini ada nih yang nelpon lu gitu. Oke, gua terima ya. Ya udah, habis itu diterima. Nah, habis itu nggak butuh server lagi. Nah, makanya kenapa WebRTC ini sangat hebat dan sangat namanya real time communications kayak begini dan sangat efisien. Karena yang dibutuhkan cuma signalin server doang nih. Nah, setelah servernya udah selesai, udah P2P. Jadi koneksi dari servernya kalau misalnya lemah, udah nggak peduli ya, udah nggak apa-apa. Karena kan cuma P2P doang. Jadi dari browser A sampai browser B. Hmm. Kita bisa implementasi sekarang supaya jauh lebih jelas lagi ya. You think it's all good? My live stream is also good? It's okay?
I think it's good. Everything is nice.
Alright. I'll just continue then, right? Alright. Alright. Uh, Sekarang kita lihat kode dari servernya. Ini namanya signaling server. Signaling server itu ada di bagian sini. Tujuannya itu cuma ngonek antara P2P kan, person 1 dan person 2. Jadi ada dua klien, browser A dan browser B. Itu istilahnya kalau kita lagi nelpon via WhatsApp, jadi WhatsApp 1 dan WhatsApp kedua ya. Jadi antara lu sama pacar lu, nah itu WebRTC. Signaling server. Nah, tujuannya itu cuma untuk ngonekin doang, handshake messages namanya. Nah, di sini udah ada kodenya nih. Kita pakai cloud. Kita lihat, kita cek dulu ya kodenya. Kodenya mungkin benar, mungkin salah. Kita cek dulu. Kelihatannya sih benar, cukup simple sebenarnya. Ini ada juga versi dari Google, signaling server. Pokoknya signaling server penting lah. Dia pakai soket I/O on signal. Ini ada dua perbedaan yang mendasar. Nomor satu, di sini dia pakai app.websocket. Jadi dia lihat dari roomnya, room yang mana. Habis itu memang kita bikinnya one on one ya. Karena kan one on one tutoring. Tutoringnya itu nggak pakai jumlah kelas. Ya, room full. Oke, kita cobain aja ya. Let's try it. Kalau misalnya nggak berfungsi ya udah. Kita coba lagi yang lain. Kayak gitu. Kita tulis ini partisi. Ya macam sini.
Can you actually read comments?
What's that?
Can you read comments?
I can read comments. Oh, what does artist mean? So I was on Instagram. Okay. What does artist mean? Artist means real time communication. Thank you, Lolia. Very good. The person is right in front of me, actually. No, no, no. I do not mean that. I do not mean that. The person is somewhere over the internet. Oh my god, such a mind blowing technology. So, what does RTC really mean? Alright, okay. Let me explain to you. It's very easy. Real time communication. So the communications normally on WhatsApp is just from, you chat the person, right? The chat goes to the server, and then from the server it goes back to the other person. So that's just a normal communication. That's not real time, right? So it goes to the server, and the server goes to the client. or to the next person. But real time means that the moment the chat is sent, it will be sent within some microseconds. So it's a very very short time back to the actual to the target person, right? So if it's not real time, then 2 seconds, 5 seconds is completely acceptable. But real time has to be within under 1 second. So then it's fast. You play game, you play Dota, you play Counter Strike. That's real time. You want to shoot, and then after you bam bam bam, and then after that the other person will receive the shots after 2 seconds. I don't think so. So it's like bam, like that's not good. That's not real time. So real time communications is important to maintain it to be fast. Not a lot of people talk about this, but this is actually the foundations of our internet today. Otherwise, forget about Dota, forget about Counter Strike. Okay? I hope that clarifies. So right now we are going to make surfer.py using codes coming from Cloud because I'm lazy motherfucker. I'm not even using coding agent. I'm just using Cloud.ai. Let's try it out. This should be index.html. Honestly, I will just download it. Here's the downloads, which is good. And then after that, we're gonna go to downloads, right? So we got the index and requirements. Put in WebRTC. First, we're going to install the requirement. Then after that, we're going to run the server. Directory static does not exist. Okay, that's very interesting. No way. Ah, true. Thank you. Thank you, Loliet, wherever. Oh, I mean, no one. Thank you, Ghost. What? Thank you, my wife. Very good. Okay, let's share the screen. It's better. Directory static not found. That's crazy. Quickly load here. So the static is not filled. Okay, that makes sense. So I think the problem's here has to be over here. So the index.html has to be here so that it will be served. And I think the index.html already have the route to the URL. So as you can see here, so okay, blah 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 blah. Only one usage of it. What is this? While attached to bind on address. Only one usage of each socket address, protocol or network address or port is normally permitted. I'm not sure what that is. Okay, why? It's completely fine. So I will make a room, right? So the idea is very simple here. We make a room, and the room can only be joined by one person and a second person and person. And then the second person, basically, this is the tutor. Now, this is the interesting part. This tutor can be human or can be AI. So it depends. Okay. I think something is already attached to my Ford 8000, so that's what we are going to change. First of all, what is actually connected to localhost 8000? That is very interesting. What the? What is this? Incredible. What is this? Incredible. It's in my it's in my computer, so we're going to remove that first. Alright, so let's remove this. Let's uninstall it. So basically what happens is that the port, so the one thing that we always have to remember is that the port 8000 is very common and it's very easy actually for other unknown server that you don't even realize that you install to actually occupy the port 8000. So that's what we have to note. So best is like when you're developing some software, don't use port 8000. Just port whatever it is, like 8001 for example. I hope that's clear to my loyal viewer Loliet B. Requesting camera or mic. Apparently the camera, because of the camera is occupied. Um, let's see if we can actually make a version without camera. So we have this, blah blah blah, Pearson text, peer left, blah blah blah. That's the signaling. And so here, okay, video is not necessary. Let's see other things. Okay, let's just try it out for now and make the video to false. Mm, no way it's connected. Alright. Hello. Hello. Not bad. It's kind of cool. So, so I make the video to false. Well, let's see what happens if it's true. The problem with it is that I need an input for the video. You see this? Mm. And I have no OBS virtual camera. You know what? Let's see. Maybe the OBS virtual camera actually will work. Pam pam pararam pa pam parara pa pa para pa 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 para pam 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 pa 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 para pa 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 pu 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 pu. We're going to check the IP so that we are going to have a phone call with my phone. What's the IP of this computer? What's the IP of this computer? Uh, so 192.168.100.1.2. Let's try this one out. I'm gonna try it on my phone. 192.168.100.1.2 at the port of 8001. Alright, stop. Let's see if it works. Western camera mic. And it doesn't seem that it's working on the phone. There's an request camera and mic on my phone. Takes quite a long time. Mm, so you can see here. I don't think you can see, but I can show you here a little. So you can see here, it's requesting camera or mic, but I do not have a permission to request a camera or mic. So that's something that we are going to deal with. I'm going to reply on threads a little, if you do not mind. So, so yeah, we did it. So go to privacy or apps, tap permission manager. So camera or microphone, you can then choose which specific apps. Mhm. So you see, that's the thing, right? Um, the thing with phone is that there are a lot of problems that you probably do not know that it exists. And then after that, when a user actually try your prototype, and then it's like, dude, but I cannot use it. So for this problem, for example, is that I have the app, and then it's basically requesting camera or mic. Um, and then it's not actually working. Let's see what we can do. I don't see. It's been a long. I'm inspecting the browser site immediately. So basically now it's trying to mobile browser restriction. So it's possible that there's some sort of restriction. I'm not sure what's wrong. I'll also check manually. Hmm. Okay. That's good. We go. Mhm. Is there someone watching on YouTube? Can I see? Yeah. It's only me. Hmm. Okay. So apparently, according to AI, the reason why this happened is because I'm not on HTTPS. So we can try again with HTTPS, but it's not working. Invalid HTTP request received. Let's try to restart. Let's see if it's working now. Hello, camera mic in the front. Let's see. So I think it's actually working on here, as you can see. It's just that on mobile it's not working as well. Uh, I think I think would be great if for the AI will make some sort of academy. I think that would be good. There's like someone that asked basically, and see it here. You can see. Oh, shit. Wait, why is it? Oh, okay. So this is in 8001. I think, Mela, I think we need to make community, yeah?
Yeah, we have to make it.
What's that?
We have to make it.
Where should we do it? WhatsApp? WhatsApp is the closest because I know every Indonesians use WhatsApp. But Telegram is also cool. Or Discord is cool. But I always see like the group in Discord is not really. Or WhatsApp is the best. Or I make my own community on the website, but no one's gonna check that regularly. WhatsApp is the most. I mean, I can also, but yeah. Do we make for WhatsApp? Which one? Martisa.
No.
Yeah, we can use that one.
Which one?
The Kira, right?
Yeah.
Let's do it. We just name it Kira then.
This orange is too.
Hmm?
So let me change it. Yeah, but I didn't
Yeah.
do I change the profile picture?
Yeah.
Can you send me the public comment? I don't have one.
Just K. K, yeah.
The one
Can change a little bit. Forward. Just thinking maybe it doesn't work because I use bad AI. But actually, I think all AI, almost all of them, are like this. Like, not gonna lie, it's like people also see the Martisan, and then now we have like some people asking for price list.
I don't know. What do you do?
I just say that we are not opening PO at the moment. No way. Even Martisan have new followers. You're rocking it.
But I don't even mention my market anymore.
Because they're going through accounts to accounts. And then my first, my like if you open my account, the first one will be Martisan. It's like developing this bakery and blah blah blah. Da, 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 Camera permission was blocked or unavailable. That's very interesting. On the phone, I think it's like camera or mic. It's better using an app. I feel like because it's clearly not working. Browser. Holy shit! I'm going to use app now. Using Android Studio. Or I'll just make it like laptop only, but laptop sucks. The best is just using existing video call, isn't it? So basically these communications wouldn't be much of a problem if I'm just using a so like this one, right? So conversational functionalities. This one is basically, you know, this is basically Gmeet or whatever it is. This exists. I know it exists. But if this logic via LLM is via virtual camera, this might just work. So obviously, just like a person, unfortunately speaking, the speak camera is actually limited to some. So we're not actually able to, do it at the same time. But can go into queue, queue, and it can actually, because there's a limit here, then it will be easier also for the AI to be programmed. So a little bit change of plan here. Can I change profile picture?
I know.
If we do like a Google Meet here, for example, like this, I can have a new meeting, for instance, start an instant meeting. I've got a meeting here, then I have it directly, and then this camera, basically the camera can use instead of, like a virtual camera or something. The question is, can we actually join Google Meet? Can we actually? Oh, Felix! Halo, Fel! Apa kabar? Oh, wait, let me check him. So basically, I think the best design right now. Let me make it clear, okay? Just going here and there now.
Huh?
Yeah.
What do you think what I should write here? Where did I with us?
Learn and share, because I do expect like some people to share a little bit. Google Meet like this one. So if we create the room of the Google Meet, I think it will be fine. So maybe Google Meet is not as, yeah, but we'll see first, okay? AI. I'm gonna just say
It's very full.
Yes.
Yeah.
While you're doing that, I will just share a little, um, so that I can share it to people. Mm, mm, mm. So web art, you see, it's not really working that well. Second thing that we can do, so web art, you see, now we tried, it's not that easy. Things that are not easy, skip. So maybe voice agent. We tried to use existing tools, like for example Google Meet. I think is one of the most common. Zoom also. Actually, why people choose Zoom over Gmeet? Like, is actually Zoom have any kind of benefit over Gmeet, Google Meet? I feel like Google Meet is actually better now. I cannot use Google because Google is going is going to use Google Meet. I'm going to say Google Meet now. So let's use Claude instead. Let's see what. Let's see which one's better. So I just got a message, I think, on Threads, like reply basically. Yes, So, banyak mungkin yang bertanya-tanya mengenai bagaimana sih implementasi AI, dan seperti yang dikasih tahu sama Pak Roy di sini, memang betul kalau misalnya kita ngerjain sesuatu di AI juga ngapain sampai level matematika. Saya juga pribadi ketika ngerjain project di AI juga nggak akan sampai ke level matematika sih. Biasanya kita bakal pakai existing architecture. Jarang sekali buat arsitektur baru. Jadi pakai model-model yang sudah ada, cuman tahu pakai yang mana dan kapannya yang menjadi skill tersendiri. Nanti Pak Roy, saya domisili senang banget ya. Ini threads memang keren banget sih untuk ngasih ke orang lain. Jadi my wife Busra Baso dia ngepost mengenai oh kita pindah ke Indonesia, dan suaminya eh, udah jadi AI engineer lebih dari 7 tahun. Terus habis itu kita sekarang lanjut di Indonesia. Number one, banyak sekali yang tanya kenapa pindah ke Indonesia, kenapa nggak di Jerman aja lanjutin. Soalnya kan sekarang tren di Indonesia kabur aja dulu kan. Nah kalau kita sekarang jadi masuk aja dulu ya. Jadi kebalik kan. Nah, itu juga sesuatu yang kita bakal bahas lebih lanjut lagi di berbagai macam percakapan ke depannya. Yang nomor dua juga, oh wait, why do I have links? Pikir aduh itu. Oh shit. Oke. Ya, yang kedua juga kayak apa sih sebenarnya AI dan bagaimana AI ini bisa membantu kehidupan kita sehari-hari. Itu sih. Yang paling bikin shocknya itu threads itu kerennya adalah eh, aku udah punya threads mungkin dari sebelumnya dari 50 followers juga dari sebelum-sebelumnya. Terus setelah threads yang itu boom jadi 163 followers. Itu lumayan drastis sih, kenaikan 113 followers kan. Kalau istri saya lebih banyak lagi malah jadi lebih gila lagi. Begitulah ya. Should I remove the link tree kira.id on my profile? I think it's a bit different now.
It's a link tree, right? You can just activate background empty link tree.
I don't really like Linktree. Normally, I don't really go through Linktree actually.
Yeah.
I go through something more direct normally. I'm trying my best also in building the AI agent to. Oh, okay. Why not? Okay. Someone's actually asking to have lunch together
Oh, really?
in his barbecue restaurant in Karawaci. You want to do that?
I have no-
I, I think it's fine. We can do that. We can like assign a date or something like that.
What?
Assign a date, like a specific date, a specific date. It's gonna be something really interesting.
It's in the perfect timing.
So Monday, late for dinner, huh? It's like an entrepreneur slash investors, banker basically. It's like a long time banker. Are you into that?
Huh?
Are you into it? What is, huh? Networking, right? That's right. Yeah. So I think Zoom or Google Meet is probably. Hmm, I'm trying to see if Zoom is better or Google Meet is better, but I think actually Zoom or Google Meet, it's like definitely similar.
To me, Google Meet is better.
Google Meet is better. I also love Google Meet better because Google Meet is natively integrated with a lot of things. But that's why, for example, if we make what?
What?
That's why I think if we are making AI voice agent, I think I will just like route it into a virtual camera, right? And then the rest is basically use what we normally use, which is Google Meet or Zoom. I think that yeah, that should work well actually. So let's just try to make it happen. Let's see virtual camera. I think the craziest thing is like the questions in virtual camera. I can just um like for example Logify LLM. Number one is speech to text, obviously, and then after speech to text, then let's see if I can transcribe that text, and then after just put it on the screen, and that to make like an AI will be like much easier and much clearer. So technically, like note taking, like there's some AI basic note taking, right? And I'm just making a great conversation. So it's not just note taking because it's on the side. It's like an assistant. So now it's more like the main thing. So you gotta make it happen. So I will say like around 7 p.m. Yeah, or like 6. What do you think? What's dinner time actually?
6.
6? 6 or 7? You think 6?
Yeah, 6 7.
7 better, yeah. So the most important thing is virtual cam. Okay. So let's see if we can make virtual camera. Mm, Virtual camera.
What's reading?
What's that?
Who is 3D? 7808.
I have no idea. 3D7. Can I see? Hello, hello, 3D. New person. Random, random. How's it going? Hello, are you still here? Because I lost the momentum, so it's like the new person is not it's not the like my previous watchers are all gone basically.
Yeah.
But it's alright. So webcam source. Got bifacial cam and OpenCP Python. Alright. So we've got mirror your webcam. I do not want to mirror actually. I don't want to mirror. Can you just generate a note with a text with animation to the video files also there's nothing that great about it. So we've got several things that we have to install because you don't really visual install it once. Official. Okay. So I think everything's fine. So we're gonna remove the WebRTC because there's no need for it. And we're going to just have new and virtual camera. So we already installed that. Um, let's see, using a little bit of animation. Let's see. In order to run it, it seems to me you can just run it as a normal Python script. So I'll put it as mine.py. Put it here. See if it's able to do anything. Um, so let's see the version of it. The weirdest thing about it is that sometimes I'm bothered with this curly yellow line, because it's like, you know, like I have it here. You can see that there's a difference between the pip and the Python, and that's annoying as fuck. So I have to uninstall several things, I would say. Um, Maybe I shouldn't speak too fast, but basically that the reason this is annoying is that you can have multiple Python versions in your computer. However, these multiple Python versions can actually confuse you. So as you can see, I have like 3.13, I have 3.11.9, and 3.11.6, and 3.10 coming from the Microsoft Store. So sometimes you install a package to a specific version of Python, and without you knowing, you try to run a script using another Python version, and then it just doesn't work, and then the package is not there. And you're confused, why is it not there? Well, it's very simple, the answer. It's because you're using different versions and you have different versions, multiple versions in your PC.
Yeah.
What's that?
So what you have to do, install a new package of them.
Install the package.
Yeah.
Yes. What you have to do is to actually make sure that the Python in which you install the package and in which that you use the package via the script are actually all the same versions. Thank you for the questions, my wife.
Sorry.
So now it gets confused, as you can see. I will just do simple refinement.txt. So then, all right. Let's see if it's gonna work. Oh, okay. So yeah, back on the camera register to be installed on the camera. Seems like it's using a OBS backend. Mm.
What is OBS?
OBS is OBS actually is a software in which that use that to stream, like what I'm using right now. And the coolest thing about OBS is that it modifies your camera. So for example, if you stream and you stream directly from a webcam, it's boring, right? You don't have screen share, you don't have the combination between the screen share and also your face stream and your video, right? So OBS is basically, as you can see in this, stream and recording, is that you've got the screen share and you also have me on the edge or on the bottom of the screen. So OBS is basically like an editor but real time. And OBS, why we are sort of linked to the OBS in this project, is because we are using virtual camera, and OBS also take care of virtual camera a little bit. Thank you too for the beautiful, amazing question. So apparently, the slide, okay. So virtual camera started OBS virtual camera, so it detected it. Right, let's see if it's doesn't. But I think it just takes it from, as you can see, it just takes it, right? So there's one virtual camera started. And we want to see if it's actually working, right? So let's see if it works. So camera tester on the So 6:30, my love. Yeah. It's alright. Alright, let's continue. Let us continue. Let us continue. Let us continue. Let's continue. Alright, so we want to test the camera, yeah? Okay. So let's see. Alright, sure. Webcam. So let's see the OBS virtual camera. It's perfect. You want to have a video call with me? You want to see? For example, yeah, I will send you a Google Meet, and after that, I will have new meeting. Of course, my love. Go ahead. Not sure. Not sure why. Just flip, 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 flip. What is the Alright. So Google Meet. Uh, let's see if it's gonna work. Okay. Well, it seems like it's working, as you can see here. Um, the voice from the. It's basically like note taking, actually. It's really funny. We're gonna make it as simple as possible. Okay. Well, for now it can be like that. So this should be able. This should be like a configurations, which later can. Programmatically connect to Google. This step 3.7 flash free is not that great, must say. Ooh, okay. Let's see. I think that's kind of necessary. Thing is, it's a virtual camera, but then when you join it, you kind of have to take some data from the Google Meet, right? So, or Zoom. Let's see if it's possible. I'm still like doing it. Is the Instagram live still working?
Yeah.
Well, what about my elementary school friend.
He replied, what happened?
I don't know. She replied, it's in the where? To my account, no, right? Oh, no. You told him to message me, or
No, I just found that's a good movie. And then,
yeah, okay. Everyone's sleeping.
yeah.
Kinda hungry. Whoa. Maybe there's actually more than even my highest Instagram post. 30,000 is quite magical. Yeah. Wait, it's still there?
Huh?
The link?
The link's name.
Yeah. I thought it's already replaced by other thing.
I don't know. I don't have access to your chat.
You don't have access to my chat. Yeah. Wait, let me remove it. Should I? So I think it looks cleaner. Bird photocopy just followed me. Bird photocopy. It's like a username.
Okay.
Equal AI, okay. So it seems like it's the easiest, but seems like it's expensive. Yeah, actually what? You're hungry? Sleepy, okay, let's sleep now. Like it. Agents Rainbow. Daily.com. It's horrible. I tried it. No, I'm talking also to the camera. I tried like a thing called daily.co. It's horrible. I tried it. Agents. Agent. I'll stop doing a thing for today.